Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming, and the reason why you click on this video is most likely you are stuck with an iPhone that is iCloud locked and there's no way you guys can bypass it. Alright, and especially nowadays, iPhone 16 is around the corner, and more people will be selling their iPhone 15, and it's been an issue when if you buy a phone that is second hand, right? The previous owner will most likely forget to log out of their own iCloud account after when they reset it. So when you buy it and you try to set it up and it comes up with that screen, and if the previous owner is non-contactable, you are basically stuck with a dead weight that cannot be used at all. Alright, so today I have the perfect solution for you, alright, and it is the TunesKit Activation Unlocker. So this is one of a really good iCloud activation lock bypass tool I have used for a long time. Alright, especially helping my friends and my parents. Sometimes my parents also bought a second-hand iPhone. Alright, and they it is locked, it's activation locked to another account, which is a very common thing nowadays. Alright, especially phones is a very common thing. There's like marketplace, Facebook Marketplace. There's a lot of different second-hand marketplace you can buy phones from, and this kind of issue is very common. Alright, and so this software I've been using for a long time. Alright, every time to unlock an iPhone, and I don't have any issues with it at all. Alright, every single iPhone I've used with it in the past, alright, it can bypass the activation lock successfully, and I can start using the phone again. Alright, I have helped so many people, my parents, my friends, and a lot of people. Alright, so this is a really good and reliable software. There won't have any issues with it. Alright, and you can use it safely. So right now I'm just going to show you the software itself, and then after that I'm going to show you how the demonstration of the process of it unlocking, and after that I give you my final conclusion. So without further ado, let me just show you guys the software itself. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is the software itself. Alright, and they also come bundled with a turn off camera sound. So nowadays, iPhone, if you want to take picture, there will be a shutter sound, which is very annoying. You cannot be turn it off. Sometimes if you just want to take like a picture of your mole or something on your phone or in the toilet, and people where you like press and you want to take a picture of face or selfie or something else, alright, people may think that you are taking picture of them in the toilet because people hearing the shutter sound. So this kind of thing can lead to a lot of misunderstanding. So they have this one as well, so it's very useful. Alright, but today our main focus is the activation lock. Alright, so once you download and install this software and you have activated it, alright, you guys can click on the activation lock. Alright, so with the activation lock, alright, first, your device will be jailbroken by this software, but you don't worry because it will be very safe. Alright, you just have to plug in your device or via USB cable to your PC or laptop. Alright, and after that, you can just click on start. Alright, and once you connected it, alright, it will start the recovery process and bypassing the activation lock. So now I'm going to show you the demonstration itself, so you guys can see for yourself how effective and how efficient this software is. So without further ado, let me just show you demonstration purpose. Alright, so I have an old iPhone 5s model to demonstrate. So just click on start, alright, and it will detect your phone and download the appropriate jailbreak tool. Alright, so once it's downloaded, you just need to allow untested iOS, alright, and click on start and next, and then you will enter your phone into recovery mode. So for at this moment, you just don't need to press anything. Alright, so once you see this icon on your phone, alright, it ensures the device is in recovery mode. You just have to follow the on-screen instruction. For my iPhone 5s, I just have to press and hold the top and home buttons together, and while holding down the home button. Alright, so I'll just wait a while and for it to boot into DFU mode. Alright, so once in DFU mode, the software will automatically detects it, alright, and it will set up the exploit to jailbreak your devices. So don't worry, this thing is very safe. Alright, just let it do its job. Alright, so you can just wait a while. At this moment, you don't have to do anything, so it's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, and it will start to boot out again. Alright, this time your device will show a few weird things, but you guys don't have to worry. Just let the software do its own thing. Just don't disconnect the cable while it's doing it. So so please don't disconnect and just wait a while for it to jailbreak. Alright, so this process also about like around 2 to 3 minutes depending on your phone. For my 5S, it took me about like 5 minutes because it's the older model. Alright, so we're gonna just wait a while. Alright, and the screen will turn black, alright, and it will say all done. So right now your phone has been successfully jailbroken, and now you can start removing the iCloud activation lock, where the software will do it for you. And once it's done, you can see it's removed successfully. You just wait for your phone to reboot, and you can set up as per normal without any activation locked. Alright, so you guys have seen the demonstration. It is so easy and so simple to bypass it. Alright, and the best part about this software is also support older iPhone models up to iOS 12, alright, and also the newer iPhone model up to iOS 16.7. So even if you have the latest iOS version, it still can bypass. So it is really, really good, very efficient. You guys have seen the process itself. It's so easy. With just a click of a button, you just let the software do its job, and after probably like 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes, alright, you can start using your phone immediately. Alright, you can sign into your own Apple ID and such. So it's really, really good. Alright, so yeah, if you guys want to check out this software, I will link the first link in the video down below for you guys to check it out. Alright, and yeah, you guys can try it for free and definitely get it for yourself. Alright, and this software also supports Mac. So if you're using Mac, this software also can be installed on Mac and on Windows as well. So yeah, once again, I'll link this software, the first link in the video description down below for you guys to check it out. Download it, try it for free. Alright, and if you guys like it, definitely get the license to fully unlock, bypass your activation lock on your iPhone. And it's so much cheaper than going to the phone shop to get them to do it for you, because they will charge you an absurd amount of price for that. Alright, so you can just do this at the comfort of your own home without worrying the phone shop might steal your data or use your data for unauthorized usage. They might sell your data, so your privacy is compromised even when bringing your phone to the shop itself. So yeah, this one you can do it at the comfort of your own home, alright, and with a fraction of the price to get your phone bypass the activation lock. So it's very, very simple to use, very safe, alright, and you can protect your own privacy as well. So yeah, once again, I'll link this software, the first link in the video description down below for you guys to check it out. Alright, and that's all for today, guys. If you find this video really helpful and this software did help you out and help you save tons of money and let you start using your phone, do comment in the comment section down below and do give it a thumbs up on this video as well. Yeah, that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys liked today's video, and I hope this video did help you out and bypass the activation lock. And without further ado, this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out. I don't wanna cry. I don't wanna cry.